still quiet. They say your heel's too high, your skills too low. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome, Paramoja. To the God of Africa. Welcome, come see the wonders. Welcome, welcome to Uganda. Come to Uganda and see and flowing, we can believe. I'm talking about the land of our calling, full of wonders, good things to see. Young past leader and a big world, full of beautiful animals to see. There are zebras, emperors, and many more animals to see. Come see the rivers and the lakes, River Rizzi, Katonga, Lake Mura, and many more.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so happy, I'm so humbled, I'm so honored to have you all here supporting this great initiative of Miss Stories in Uganda. My name is Kabuma Sydney Nabuya, hailing from the land of the ABAKA. I have a little message just to put out. Saying a little about my background, I first came as Miss Stories in Chadondo. I was just 19 years old, and I managed to win up the title of Miss Stories in Chadondo. I again contested for Miss Stories in Uganda region, Uganda Kingdom, and thank God I won the title again. I further ahead went for Miss Stories in Uganda, whereby all regions from around the corners of Uganda, from Karamoja, from Uganda, from Teso, from Northern, and thank God I managed to emerge as the queen. I further ahead went to represent Uganda in Miss Stories International, held in Malaysia. It was very tough, it was very rough, but then we have voices in our backgrounds that have been grooming us from our baby steps. In my head, Joram was screaming all the time, Sydney, go! Do this! I'm like, okay, Joram. These girls from USA are nothing. It's Sydney from Uganda. I managed to recite a poem about the beauty of my country, Uganda, the beauty of my continent, and speaking about preservation of our beautiful cultures. You know, Uganda, we have 12 regions and we have various cultures in each. So I believe that if we preserve our cultures, then the beauty that will overwhelm all these regions will be massive. So I managed to win and secure the title of Best in Talent. Wow! I'm very happy. It's something I'm proud of, because look at countries like United States of America, where they believe education, they have the quality time and all that for their children, but I came up to speak from a country in Uganda. And they were like, oh my God, who is she? So I think it was not my own making, it was the making of my country, the making of Miss Stories in Uganda. The people in it are designers, people who make us feel lively out there, have enabled me secure this award. So I'm very thankful to Miss Stories in Uganda. I'm very thankful to the girls out there. A little message to the girls out there. Let no one tell you that coming for Miss Stories in Uganda is all about size, it's all about height, it's all about color, it's all about dress. You have seen the girls that have been walking this runway. They are not of a particular size. You have the very small girls, the medium girls, the plus size. I myself am medium. So let no one lie to you that something negative about you can stop you from coming to achieve the goals you need to achieve. A little reminder, on the 9th of September, we are having a grand finale whereby a new queen is going to rise up, and I believe this time it's going to be bigger and better. There is a lot of force pushing this whole activity, so I beg you, I remind you to come and support with the girls that be the voice of tomorrow. We can change. I believe we have the capability, and we can be the rising people of tomorrow.
There's a song that I know. If you listen, I know you will love it. Save my heart with all its revealed and the purpose it holds us within. Oh, we
Ocean for coming out in great numbers to support your event tonight. Please clap for yourself. My name is Serena, and I'm the National Chairperson for Miss Tourism Uganda. And Miss Tourism Uganda has started, like they mentioned, our theme is really tourism. So we are looking for that one ambassador that is going to go around and promote our country to our national level. With me I have the PR, Nguna Sandra. She'll, right, yeah. So I'll just briefly talk before I give her the microphone. I'll briefly talk about our national bootcamp and the roadmap. So instead of bootcamp at UWEC, where the girls have been going through master classes on branding, they've been having various workshops on how to brand themselves as tourism ambassadors, how to speak, how to carry themselves as beauty queens. As we all know, we're looking for that one person to market Uganda at a national level. So the queens have been going through different master classes on beauty, on branding, on marketing and tourism in general. On the 27th to 30th, we'll be going to Germany. That's why we'll be having our talent and elimination night. And we'll be saying bye to 8 contestants, as we'll be moving on with only 24 contestants. So please continue voting. When the voting starts, please vote for your favorite contestant, and please come out and support them. So we'll be going to Germany. We'll be there for a few days, and we'll be marketing in Germany as a tourism destination. Most people know Germany as it's very far, but there is a lot that we can tell you about Germany. So please follow our journey as we will be selling Germany to the world. From then on, we will come back to Kampala and we'll continue on until the grand finale on the 9th of September at Kampala, Serena. We would like to tell you that the boot camp is covering the 70%. So each contestant here is working for 70% mark at the boot camp. So everything that they're doing is being judged from the way they speak, the way they dress, the way they present themselves. We are looking for that one girl that is going to represent the national level. So we are looking at all that. So the grand finale will cover 30%. You might see a girl on stage that will walk well and smile, but she cannot do the job. And you're looking for someone who's going to do the job. And looking for someone who's going to be Miss Tourism Uganda 2023. We'd like to thank our sponsors, Darling, Three Ways, Uganda Airlines. We also like to thank UWEC that is hosting us. Please clap for UWEC. They host us and we don't pay a shilling at UWEC. So they are hosting all these girls and they're training them about tourism, about the animals. They'll be going behind the scenes to show you how they feed animals, how they clean places where the animals sleep. So thank you so much, UWEC. Ministry of Tourism, Uganda Tourism Board, super love for the amazing, amazing grant. I can't thank you enough.
Sandra Nguna, the PR of Miss Tourism Uganda.
Okay, this year we're seeing you guys have come big.
Yeah, bigger, better. Yeah. First of all, the theme is different. This year we are greening tourism. We want to restore our Uganda to the Pearl of Africa setting. We want to see it more greener, but also the other important thing is that this time the Miss Popularity, the one who wins from the online voting, is getting a fully paid trip to Zanzibar, 5 days, fully paid by Platinum Tours. And then I'll go straight. The winner, the queen, is becoming a landowner. Is getting a land title. That is from Three Ways Property Consultants. You also we have an air ticket to Dubai for the winner still from Uganda Airlines. That is beautiful. And also the first one and second runner-up are getting still Uganda Airline tickets to Mombasa. So the urgency is because we are seeing the environment deteriorating. We're seeing climate change hitting us badly, and you know climate change is something that when it happens somewhere else, it even affects the people who didn't participate in it. So we are telling people, don't even just plant trees, but grow trees. As you plant them, make sure they grow and we also add a voice in fighting climate change, but also conserving our environment, because we very well know that the environment we live in is what really supports us. If we destroy it, then right now and the future will be doomed. So we are participating also in the SDGs, the Sustainable Development Goals, as we add a voice to making sure our environment is protected, our climate is back to the norm, because now we are seeing changes in the weather affecting the farmers, and yet we are an agricultural based country, so we really want to see that everything around is better, and so we are adding that voice as the ladies. First of all, every contestant is required to plant trees in their region. So wherever you're coming from, you must plant trees, and we made a deadline of 10 trees. So these trees were already planted by most of the queens before they even reported for boot camp. But also, we've put up so many campaigns that we've participated in. One of them is Let the Pearls Shine. We had the walk around Kampala trying to clean these areas, mostly the areas of downtown that are always dirty, telling people that, you know what, let's not do this thing of plastic pollution, encouraging people to do the multiple use bottles, like not really clinging on the plastics and the Kavera or polythene. So we are advocating and we are leading by example. We did that, we did the work, we did the cleaning, and also encourage the queens to do it in their regions, which they actually did. So this is, we are doing it physically, participating in it, and encouraging other people to do it. So yes, we are planting the trees, we are conserving them, we are growing them, we are cleaning our environment, and surely we shall see a better area we live in. Yes. Okay. So tonight we've had the unveiling of the girls, and immediately the online voting is going to begin. Actually later tonight still we're going to have our online voting begin. Also the girls are going to keep in your work, that is the known zoo, for continuous training in the areas of tourism, areas of finance, areas of insurance, areas of beauty and etiquette, like all round. We do brand these girls and, you know, shape them to the better ladies we want them. Then after that we shall have our talent night in Germany, where also we shall have an elimination.
Are you invited?
Yeah, sure. Everyone is invited as long as you can make it to Germany. Yes. So it is going to be in Germany, where we shall do the talent, the girls will showcase their talents, and also we shall have an elimination. Yes. So then after 9th September we shall be back here to the mega stage, Kampala Serena Hotel, and do the grand finale, where we shall crown the Miss Tourism Uganda 2023-2024.
Lisa Teresa.
Every region?
West Nile region.
You feel joining this year's Miss Tour?
I feel good because it's a brave step that I've taken in my life to do. I've never been in a pageantry before, but me being here, I'm so proud of myself. It's a good feeling. I expect to come out as a better person because I'm already a queen. So I expect the best generally. The competition is stiff. It's really stiff, so it's really a hard one. But we hope for the best.
Casimir, which
region?
In your region.
Your region. Okay, so how do you feel joining Miss Tourism this year?
I feel excited and happy and proud of myself for standing out. It's not easy because there are many girls out there that don't have the courage that I have. It wasn't easy because if you ask me a year ago or 3 months ago, I would tell you that this is not something I really thought about. So I feel so proud of myself and glad that I joined the Miss Tourism pageant. Like, I'm very, very happy that I met them.
I'm Angel Juliet. I'm the second runner-up Miss Tourism Northern Uganda. I feel amazing. I've gained a lot from the experience, more confidence, resilience, a lot of experience. Yeah, I'm going to gain a lot. First of all, we have been learning a lot from boot camp. We are going to go out there when we have gained confidence and a lot of skills.
Jimmy Opigo, I represent West Nile and Germany. Germany is the center of Uganda. Now, first we have got a very secure location where And this is the same location where we initially held the regional pageant. Yeah, so it's prepared, the roads got graded, the security has been tested, the facilities are up to speed. Instead, what we are working on now is we are expecting big numbers of people coming from all over the country. So we are working, the private sector there is very vibrant, and they are already mobilized to make sure we can board visitors from all over the country.